So in this video I'm going to show you how to create an e-commerce website, beginner's guide. So guys, before I begin, this video is a 3-part series on where I tell you how to make money online during quarantine, step-by-step beginner's guide. And ultimately my goal is you to have a steady state of income online. And before I begin guys, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to create an online business. So please consider subscribing, and let's get back to the video right now. So if I go on Fiverr right now, if I just type e-commerce website or a store, people are charging a bomb. Okay, and if you provide quality service, trust me on that, you would get at least $300 to $400. And in fact there would be future work as well, where you could content upload, or you could upload all the e-commerce products. They would hire you again for data entry. So I'm talking about $1,000 minimum. Okay, I've done it in the past. I'm talking about I'm doing this from the past 5 years. And for me, I made for you, just giving you an example, I made a website just for $50. Okay, and then people were crazy because I'm talking about 5 years back, was very cheap, and people were like bonkers and were like, what are you doing, you're making it for cheap. That time I needed the money, but then later it was it was hidden, where once I made him the website, he gave me to make another business website where I charged him $300. And then for his previous website for the e-commerce, he told me to upload products, make some changes, and from that we started doing more business. And after 5 years I still have him as a loyal client, where I get a lot of services, where he tells me a lot of things to do, like social media marketing, Facebook advertisement, managing his social media accounts. And from that $50 I made a lot of money, and I'm providing him service till now. So don't get discouraged. I'm going to show you how you could make an e-commerce website. Very simple guys. Bluehost, I would suggest always go for the best web hosting, and Bluehost is the best web hosting for WordPress. We are going to create an e-commerce website on WordPress, and we need a hosting, and Bluehost is one of the best web hosting, and they provide a free domain as well. And I have a discount where you get a free domain and you get a 70% discount. The link is down in the description. Go and check it out. All you have to do is get started, buy it for a year. They have a 30-day money back guarantee. Usually it costs around $100. I would always select this one. Before it was a little cheap, now they made it a little expensive because now everyone's buying a lot of hosting. And right now, at this current situation after corona, everyone wants to come online guys. Now all the business, the brick and mortar business, they realize it, offline is nothing. Everyone wants to come online, and I'm getting a lot of projects of creating websites, which I outsources, but it's booming right now. So usually comes up to $100 once you buy all these hostings. I'm not going to explain you right now to register, to put your credit card details. It's very basic. Just choose this one and select. Once you're done that, once you get your login ID, it's very simple guys. Once you get your login ID, so now this is your Bluehost dashboard. All you have to do is click on my sites. As you could see, I have a lot of websites. Okay, to create a website is very simple. Just create a site. I'm gonna name my website T-shirt business. Okay, best t-shirts in town. Okay, I'm sorry for the spelling, but IRT. So now just write t-shirt and best t-shirts in town. I hope the spelling, okay, it's fine, just do it. Click next. Okay, I'm just gonna type t-shirt. That's it. You don't have to put the directory. I already have a website on yavarkhan.com, so I can't recreate it. So just putting a directory t-shirt, and then just make myself small. Click next, and that's it guys. And within 5 seconds you will be able to install WordPress. And congratulations guys, within 5 seconds you're able to install WordPress. Now all you have to do is log into WordPress. Once you're into your WordPress dashboard, it's loading. I think so, my internet's really slow. So now currently this is my WordPress dashboard. All you have to do is click on appearance, themes, and then click on add new. And then once you click on add new, I would always suggest click on Astra. So this is the Astra theme. All you have to do is click on install. There are a lot of themes, but I would always suggest Astra. The reason for that is all the videos are available online. They have a really good support, and they have good tutorials online. And also, in case if you want to upgrade it, so basically this is a free version, but if you want to upgrade it, I have a discount as well, so it's a banger. So let's go, click over here, click on activate. So currently this is how my website would look. I've just activated it. So if I go back to my website would look like this. So this is how my website looks right now. Doesn't look like an e-commerce website, but we are going to make it right now. Once you're over here, click on Astra options, and then just install importer plugin. Now it's activating it. Once it's installed, now we are going to install a page builder. The reason we are doing this is we need to customize our website because our website currently looks very basic and plain. So I'm going to install this plugin called Elementor. Once that's done, I'm going to select free, and then I'm going to select e-commerce. Let's say we are going to install this one, and just click on import site. So usually it will take around 1 to 2 minutes depending on your internet speed. So I'm just gonna pause the video, come back again. So as you could see, I'm done, and then I could just click and view my site. So this is how my website looks. Really good, really beautiful, everything looks really good, and that's it. So now you can start customizing it. I'm not gonna go much in detail, just I'm gonna give you a brief. I've created a course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. Everything's there. If you want a tutorial on how you could customize your e-commerce website, you could let me know in comments so I could make a tutorial for that as well. But I'm just giving you an overall, like a bird's view eagle eye, where you could start making money online by creating e-commerce website, which is really easy. And even if you want to edit it, it's very simple. Just click this one, and it's just like using Paint, where you could just drag drop with your mouse and edit it. So it's not rocket science. You could start selling on Fiverr, and then once you start making, so let's say if I want to make it a t-shirt one, I could just write t-shirt, and then you could delete this, right click delete. So it's very basic and simple. And then once you start making more money by selling websites, then you can start your own e-commerce business. Okay, and then you could do it if you go AliExpress. Currently right now I won't suggest going to AliExpress. There are a lot of other ones as well, so like Ecstasy, I can't remember. So there are a lot of local e-commerce website as well where you could start. So this is AliExpress, which is from China. I won't suggest right now because there would be a lot of delays. Imagine just for example, you could sell this shirt for $20, $30, and you could make a lot of money, but that's more ahead. But for now, you need to stick with the basics, where you put your stuff on Fiverr, where you could say I could help you create an e-commerce website. Okay, and that's it, guys. And then start making more money. It's not complicated, and Shopify website is very easy. It's the most easiest. You just have to pay the money. I've done it myself, where a customer wanted, one of my client wanted a Shopify website. All you have to do is just purchase the $20 $16 per month package, set up the website, and just give it to him. And in fact, he gave me more money just to upload products as well. So that's an additional add-on service which I provided him. And now I outsource it, but previously I used to do it myself as well, because currently I'm working, I have a family, I have a full-time job, managing a lot of things, so which I can't do right now. But this is how you could start making more money online. And that's it for today's video. And I've created a 3-part series on how you could start making money online during quarantine. The playlist would be down below, so you could go and check it out. And that's it. I hope you really like the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and if you would like to see anything else, let me know. and I hope you are safe, and I would see you in the next video. Yavar Khan signing off.